Ever wish you had a digital vault for your most private Snapchat memories? Today, we're unlocking that secret with Snapchat's My Eyes Only feature. First things first, open up your Snapchat app. You'll want to navigate to your memories. To do this, tap on the two overlapping squares icon at the bottom of your camera screen, usually to the left of the shutter button. Once you're in your memories, you'll see all your saved snaps and stories. Now, for the magic, locate the snaps or videos you want to secure. You can select multiple, long pressing on one and then tapping on others. With your chosen content highlighted, look for the added option, usually found at the top right of the screen. Tap on that. Now, you should see a few icons appear at the bottom. We're looking for the one that resembles a lock or a shield, signifying My Eyes Only. Tap that My Eyes Only icon. A confirmation screen will pop up. Snapchat will let you know that these snaps will be moved to a private, password-protected space visible only to you. Tap Move or create passcode to proceed. If this is your first time using My Eyes Only, you'll be prompted to create a passcode. Choose a strong, memorable code. You'll need to enter it twice to confirm. This passcode is your key to accessing this secret album. Once your passcode is set, your selected snaps will disappear from your regular memories and be safely stored within My Eyes Only. To access them later, go back to your memories screen, tap the back arrow to get to the main memories view, and you'll see a new option for My Eyes Only beneath your saved snaps. Tap on My Eyes Only and enter your secure passcode. Voila! Your private collection is now accessible. Remember, it's crucial to keep this passcode confidential and avoid sharing it with anyone to maintain true privacy.